My name is QiShan Johnson. I ride for Free Agent and I'm 15 Expert. We're gonna check out my new Free Agent Team Limo. Alright, so the frame, Free Agent, got Free Agent cranks with tangent gear, profile hubs, NV rims with the V tires. Goes to seat, tangent seat clamp. Go to the front, have a tangent stem, Free Agent forks, got Free Agent bars up here, ODI lock-ons, and Free Agent brake lever. Got a tangent number plate. This weekend, I did all right. I could have done better. But this year, trying to go for NAG top 10. Shout out to Free Agent. I'm loving the Team Limo that I'm riding, doing well on it. You can check out all these dope bikes on freeagentbmx.com. I'm QiShan Johnson, 15 Expert, and I'm on sugarking.com. Back to you, Billy.